Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy, Wayne, and today I want to show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy A17 freezes or the touchscreen is not working properly. There's a simple button command that will help you to do what's called a soft reset, and it will basically shut the phone down, start it up again, and it'll help to fix any problems you're having with the software. What you're going to do is hold down on the power and volume down button until the entire screen goes blank, just like this. Power, volume down, 1, 2, 3, hold. Keep holding the buttons until the entire screen goes black, and then you're gonna let go of the buttons. And three, oh, there we go. Usually happens again less than 10 seconds. The phone should automatically restart itself. If it doesn't, no problem. Just simply give it about 20 seconds to turn on. If it still doesn't, hold down that power button, and then that's going to kick the phone on again. And this should clear any short-term problems you're having with the software, or potentially you might have opened an app that was glitching. This is a very quick way to just force the system to shut down and turn back on again. Now, if you've tried this and you know what, you turn it back on and you're having the same problems, some other questions you'll want to ask yourself is, have I dropped the phone and is there any physical damage on the screen? If you have damaged the screen, then your screen issues could be caused by the drop and not by the software. So in that case, you'd want to take your phone into your local service and repair center, just a cell phone repair shop, and see what it would cost to have it replaced. Or you can go to Samsung.com and talk to their web support, and they can recommend a certified service and repair center in your area. So I would tell you to check that out as well. But if you don't have any damage to your screen, then this is probably a software issue, in which case this soft reset should have helped. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.